Hi, I'm John, and I'm going to give you a guided tour of the latest revolution in computer technology, the Mactini, the smallest computer in the world. You'll notice it only has one key, but it still performs all the functions of a regular keyboard. For instance, if I want to type the letter A, I press it once. For the letter Z, I press it, you guessed it, 26 times. Okay, how about punctuation? For a comma, I hold it down for 4 seconds, release it for 2, and then rat-a-tat-tat. This and all the other combinations are explained in the manual. The Mactini is also a fully integrated entertainment system. It's perfect for listening to music, watching movies, or even giving a business presentation. Since I started this commercial, we've brought out a newer, smaller computer, the Mactini Nano, rendering this one obsolete. Thanks for watching.